So, as you can see, I had gates on the brain this year, and it occurred to me that as I took classes at the Graduate School of Design, that gates are universal and near universal of human experience, from the Forbidden City to the Brandenburg Gate to the Gateway Arch to the ugly gates that line American subdivisions. Gates are pervasive. I mean, you could say, as I do in the first line in the book, that there really are three certainties in life: death, taxes, and gates. I think that gates really are fascinating, not just at Harvard, but everywhere. And this suggests three reasons why. They restrict and choreograph our movement through urban space. They are potent symbols. They don't merely facilitate or forbid entry, they confer status or communicate messages of power. And at their best, like the greatest of the Harvard gates, the gates are both part of the urban fabric, a part of the city, but they're worthy of contemplation as individual aesthetic objects on their own. Stanley Tigerman, who is sitting here tonight, often talked about dualities. And I remember he talked about Janus, the Roman god of doors and gates. And this is Janus, right at Adam's house, the house with which I affiliated during my time at Harvard. Gates are about transitions, entering from one realm to another. And it's easy to see, knowing how fraught and perilous transitions can be, why the Romans would have wanted to have a god of gates. Because transitions are difficult, they're scary. So you want to be blessed, whether you're entering or leaving.